Let's start. Please stand up, please. Okay, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay, me too. Thanks, sit down, please. Okay, what is date today?
Today is
Today is day
5 of May on 5th meeting.
5th of
May on Friday.
Friday. Okay, good. Good job. Okay, now let's play game. This game's name is chain game. Last lesson we have already learned about this game, also conditional. Okay, do you remember it?
Yes.
Okay, please stand up and make a circle. Okay, who wants to start? Okay, your turn, please.
If I money, I will go to America.
Good, good. If I go to America, I will buy travel to park.
If I travel so far, I will see many animals. If I see many animals, I will buy rabbit.
If I see market
Buy rabbits.
rabbit, I will go to
I will go to.
Mongolia.
If I go back Mongolia, I will show rabbits my friends.
If I show rabbit with my friends be happy.
If my friends be happy, I will be happy.
If I be nice, I will have a girlfriend.
If I have a girlfriend, I will dating.
If I go dating, I will take big rose.
If I have big rose, take a big rose, I will buy retro shopping.
Good.
If I buy retro shopping, I will feel nice.
Good, good. Okay, now come back again, your turn.
If I learn English, I will enter university.
Good.
If I enter university, I will travel British.
If I go to British, I will see big tower.
If I see big house, I will take a picture.
If I take picture, I will post picture on Facebook.
If I post picture on Facebook, I will start.
If I start, I will sing a song.
If I sing a song, I will beautiful.
If I beautiful, I will meet gentlemen. If I meet gentlemen, I will marry my husband.
If I marry my husband, I will have a baby.
If I have a baby, I will look after my baby.
If I look after my baby, I will live happy New York.
Okay, thanks. Very good, students. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Okay, I have a question. What do you think about today's lesson rules? What do you think about rules?
Listen each other.
Good. What else?
Turn on mobile.
Turn off mobile phone. What else?
Learn English.
Speak English. Speak English. Very good. Let's write down on the word. Please say again one by one. Say again. Listen.
Each other.
Each other. What else?
Turn on mobile phone.
Turn off mobile phone. What else?
Speak
English. What else? Okay, that's enough. Don't worry, that's enough. Okay, now let's watch video on the bird. You have to watch it very carefully. Okay? Okay. After that video, I will ask what is about, what is the main idea it's about. Okay? Please think about it. Okay. Please look at the bird.
เขาจะได้อะไร ถ้าเขาทำแบบนี้ทุกวัน เขาจะไม่ได้อะไรเลย ไม่ได้รวยขึ้น ไม่ได้ออกทีวี ไม่มีใครรู้จัก ไม่ได้มีชื่อเสียงที่มากขึ้น เพราะสิ่งที่เขาได้ คือได้แค่ความรู้สึก ได้เห็นความสุข ได้เข้าใจ ได้ความรัก ได้ในสิ่งที่เงินซื้อไม่ได้ ได้โลกที่สวยงามกว่าเดิม ในชีวิตคุณ อะไรคือสิ่งที่คุณต้องการมากที่สุด ใครประกันชีวิตเชื่อในความดี
Okay, that's all. Okay, I have a question for all you. What is about it?
It is about lonely.
It is about lonely. Good. What else?
It is
It is health. Okay, what else?
It's good things.
Mm-hmm.
good.
Mm-hmm.
Friendship.
Friendly. What else?
Best friend.
Best friends.
Heroes.
Good.
Feels nice.
Okay.
Nice news.
How do you feel it when you're watching this video? How do you feel? For example, I feel honest. I feel love. How about you?
I feel nice message.
Good. What else? How do you feel?
My world
is
is
Mm-hmm.
my world is stuff.
Good. Good. Okay. Now, on your notebook. notebook, there are some stickers. This one. You have to take one and write down one word. Think about this video and express your opinion using just one word, okay?
Okay.
Just one word. You have to write big. Write just little bit bigger. Write big. This is small. Write big word. Big word. Write big. Using this marker, students, using this marker and write a big, write a little bigger. Okay, have you finished? Yes. All of you, have you finished? Have you finished? Okay. Students, please speak loudly. Speak loudly. Okay, who wants to share your words? Okay, your words?
I feel friendly.
Okay, please put your words on the board in this heart. Next one, who wants to share your words?
I will learn.
Okay, good.
My word is honest.
Okay.
My word is hard.
I will eat it.
Sorry, wait, please. Your words? Okay, put them on the board.
I will friendly.
One by one. One by one. Sorry?
My word is beautiful.
I repeat it. Bill, which one? Please say again. My words? Star. Star. Good. Put your words.
My word, very good boy.
Very good boy, okay.
My word is hopeful.
I hear dolphins. Dolphins.
Okay, good. Okay, your turn.
Good citizen.
Good citizen. Good. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, last one. Generals. Good. Okay, thanks all of you. Okay, what do you think about today's topic? What do you think about? Do you have any idea? What do you think about today's topic? Good citizen. Good citizen. Good. What else?
Good boy.
Good boy. What else? very good. Today we are going to learn being a good human. Being a good human. Okay, please open your notebook and write down the date and topic on your notebook, please. Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I have a question. Who is good human?
Being a
Who is a good human? Who is a good human? What do you think about it? Huh? Speak loudly, please.
I think smart woman.
And your think, she thinks smart people is good woman. Good. What else? What do you think about?
If I had my friends,
Speak loudly, Julia.
if I had a friend, I will be good ones.
Good, good. What else?
if I help my grandma, I will be good woman.
For example, if I help my mom, I will be good woman. Like this. What else? Who wants to say sentence? What do you think about it? Okay, please think it 1 minute. After that, write on your notebook. What do you think about it? Please think it. First, you have to think it, then write down on your notebook. Who is good human in your opinion? Write down. Please think it out and write down. First, think who is good human. After that, write down. Please, okay? Okay, all of you have finished?
Yes.
Okay, who wants to read your sentence? Okay, the person, please.
If we don't throw cabbage in the nature, we will good human.
Good, good. What else, please?
If I don't smoke, I will be good human.
Good. What else?
If we hug, we will good human.
Your turn, please.
If we don't grow cabbage, we will be good human.
Good. Excellent.
If I clean up, I will good human.
Good. Very good job. What else?
If I help children, I will be good woman.
What else? Okay, right here, please.
If I be friendly, I will good home.
Good, good. Excellent idea. Okay. You are all of you very good, excellent. I know that all of you good women. Okay. Now, let's do exercise. This one is, I have 3 gentlemen I have two gentlemen. This is gentleman. I have this picture to each group. You have to make good human using kind of positive words. Okay? Do you understand? You have to make list. For example, friendly, honest, help your mom, like this in your group. You have to 5 minutes. Okay? Do you have marker? This is your homework. Okay. First, talk about. First, talk. You have 5 minutes. Just write down words. Okay? Okay, use marker. Don't draw. Use this marker. Using marker. For example, this is your woman. First one, last one, then this marker. Okay? First, talk about who is good. Who first one is? Generous. Talk about people. Talk each other, please. Talk each other, please. How many words do you have? How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. Okay. What else? Who is good to me? You have 3 minutes, students. You have 3 minutes. Finished? Yes. Have you finished? How many words do you have? How many words? Please count it. 1, 7 words. Okay. Please write down loudly again. More words. Okay, time is our students. Okay, time is up, please. Please put down all your pencil or marker. A little down, please. Don't write. Okay, put your marker, please. Put your marker, please. Okay, now let's express your group's idea. Which group is starts? Which group will be starts? Okay, your group. Please come in here. And express your human. What do you think about good human in your opinion? In your group opinion? You can use this one.
If I lonely people,
If
I will go home.
If we clean up, they are good. Good human.
If I must speak, I will human.
Which human? Good human or bad human? Ashley. Good human or bad human?
Good.
If we do homework, we will good home.
What else? What else?
If I don't throw garbage, I will be good home.
If we friendly, we will good home.
Okay, good.
If I feel better, I will human. Good human.
Okay.
Good.
I will.
Good. Human.
Good human. Okay, thanks. Have you finished? Finished?
No.
Which word?
Seven.
Okay, please explain it.
Yes. We will seven national. We will good children.
Good children. Okay, good job. Okay, thank you. Okay, please give me your picture. This one. Okay, let's go. Okay, your group, please come in here. Speak loudly, please. Okay, just speak English. Listen to each other. Okay.
If we smart, we will be good human.
If we don't smoke, we will be good home.
If we do homework, we will good home.
If we do exercise, we'll be good human.
If we friendly, we will be good home.
If we don't
Don't drink alcohol. Good.
we will be good home.
Good. Okay, your turn, please. Your turn.
If we don't throw, we will
Don't throw what? Don't throw rubbish.
Rubbish. In the restaurant.
throw, we will be good home.
Okay, good. What else? Please talk about this one.
We will be smart.
If
If we smart, we will smart.
if we be smart,
Good home.
we will be
Good home.
good human. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, next group, please come in here.
If we save water, we will go to.
We will be good. Good.
If we help my friend, we will good woman.
Good. Excellent.
If we honest, I will, so we will good woman.
If we friendly,
If we are friendly,
I will good woman.
we will be
Good.
good. Good. Next one.
If we amazing, we will be good.
Good. What else?
If we generous,
If we are generous,
we will good woman.
we will be good women. Good. Your turn, please.
If we are hopeful, we will good woman.
Be good women. Okay.
If we don't show courage in the nature, we will good woman.
We will be good. Okay, good. Excellent. Can sit down, please. Sit down, please. Okay. Okay, now let's evaluate your each group using magic words. There are some magic words on your group. If your group is best, you have to give how many magic words?
3.
3. Good. If your group is normal, you have to give 2. If that group was just a little bit bad, you have to give 1. Okay, let's have a look. Your group give this one, your group give this group, your group give this group. Okay? No, stop. Your group give this group. This group.
One group.
This is your groups.
Sorry.
This is your groups. Okay. Please give in this group. Which is your group? This one? This one? Good. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Which is your group? Okay, this is your groups. Which is your groups? Which is your groups major word? This one? Okay. Okay, are you finished? Yes. Okay. How many magic words do you have? Please count loudly. 1, 2, like this.
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. How many magic words do you have? 1. Speak loudly. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 magic words. You have?
8.
8. 6. You have? 1. Speak loudly. Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay, you have 16 magic words. Okay. Okay. Now I have a question for you. Are there good person in your group? Are there good person in your class? All of you. For example, who is the good person in your class? Who? 친구들. Okay, 친구들 is good. What is?
Joy.
Joy is good students. 얼굴 is good. 어떤 거? Good. Okay, good. Why? Why? Okay. Generals.
Because Dulgorithim is friendly. Hosongwa is honest.
Honest, huh? Okay, that's now who wants to explain?
Informal good because smart.
Very smart. Good. Who wants to explain? Who wants to talk about your friends? You sure?
A child is good woman because a child is generous.
What else? Please talk about Hosongwa.
Hosongwa is hopeful because hopeful.
Okay. Archer, please talk about who is the good woman in your class? Why?
Jingune is good one because Jingune is smart.
Which class is smart? For example, maths. Jingune is good at maths, so he is good person. Okay. Second, please. Who?
얼굴 is good woman because don't throw.
Don't throw what?
Cabbage.
Good. Don't throw cabbage in where?
Natural.
Good.
It is the good woman because of
Good. Okay. Now I have a last question, all of you. Who is the bad woman?
No.
Who is the bad woman? If I smoke, if I smoke, I will be bad woman. What else? Please talk about it.
if
Stand up, please. What else? Who wants to share your opinion? Who is the best? Know your class. Okay. Who is good woman? You know. Who is bad woman in your opinion? Who? 친구들, please share your opinion.
If you usually do homework, you will be.
Usually do homework.
Don't homework.
If I
Don't
don't homework, I will be bad woman. What else? Who wants to say? Talk up, please.
If smoke, I will bad woman.
Good. What else? Albert, do you have any idea?
No.
Okay, no idea. Okay, time is over. Today's lesson has finished yet. Okay, for homework, please think about being a good woman or bad woman. Please write essay about good woman. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, time is over. Thank you.
Thanks for teaching.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.